Wow.
That all was from that cold front that came on through, and that frontal system is now situated over the southern part of the state, and it's going to be coming back at us as a warm front tomorrow. So again, we could get some showers and thunderstorms with the passage of that as it moves on towards the north. And so that's what we're going to be expecting to see for tomorrow. But for the overnight time period tonight, things are quiet, and that warm front, as I mentioned, is going to be moving towards the north with a very good chance of showers and the possibility of thunderstorms taking place during the afternoon and evening hours. And then, of course, because it is a warm front, we're going to be getting the winds coming in mostly out of the south and east, and that will help to keep those temperatures moving up into the 80s once again. Dew point for today was wonderful, and because of it, it felt awfully good out there with dew points in the 40s and 50s over the northern and central part of the state. That's what's going on right now. It's still very warm where the warm front is right now, that cold front that is going to be coming at us once again as a warm front for tomorrow. And temperatures at this hour are quite chilly over the northern part of the state, so that cold front helping to usher in some colder weather, 40s and 50s and even some 60s right now across central Florida. But then as you move on farther down to the south, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 70s and still some 80s in places like Key West. But for us, we're reporting temperatures in the 60s right now, and it's either 66 to 68 degrees. You can see that's true all across the region, with temperatures slightly warmer along the beaches near the water, and this is being felt all the way down to the southern part of our viewing area. And right now you can see the winds are coming in out of the northeast, as they've been doing throughout most of the day, and throughout the overnight time period we're going to see the same thing. But tomorrow, as this front starts to move on up, part of its force is going to be with those southerly winds that will help to push it onto the north. And over the next several hours, what we're looking at, beginning at 8 o'clock in the morning, we're going to see those temperatures back up to the mid 70s by 8 in the morning, and then as the day wears on, 82, 83 degrees. The showers are going to be coming in right around noontime, and then they're going to stay with us until about 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening, and the possibility of thunderstorms taking place also is a very good possibility. And then after 5 o'clock, we start to see things tapering off, things quieting down. The rains are going to move farther to the north, and so we're going to be left with mostly cloudy conditions beginning at around 5. And here's that frontal system. So this is where it is right now, and you can see this beginning to move on up and shift on up towards the north. And we've been getting some clouds that have come on in throughout the day today, but you'll notice too some of these showers that are out in the Gulf of Mexico. When we take a look at radar, you'll see they're not holding together very well. But as the day progresses tomorrow, it's going to start to get very wet right over the central part of the state, so it's going to bunch up right in the middle. And here this shot is also showing, this is our European model, showing the same thing, the progression of the warm front moving towards the north. And then over the next several days it stays quiet, and then we've got another frontal system that's going to be developing across the central part of the country, and it's going to be sweeping on through here just in time for the weekend. And so next weekend we're going to get another bout of rain as that frontal system comes on through, and that will help to bring about some more showers for us as well. Here's the cold front, or here it is once again. You can see this whole system beginning to move on up towards the north, but remember, it's going to be during the afternoon hours on Sunday into the evening hours that we're going to be getting the rain showers. So we've got a 60% chance of rain for tomorrow with a 30% chance on Monday, and the next cold front comes in next weekend.